During this session, we're going to run through what it looks like to update VMware Tools that's on each ESXi host using vSphere Lifecycle Manager. And this is really useful for when we actually install a virtual machine and configure it. One of the tasks we need to do is install VMware Tools. And that comes from whatever version is installed on the ESXi host by default. So to do that, we're going to do a couple things here. First, we're going to go into Lifecycle Manager itself and do some work. So within Lifecycle Manager, you can see that we have our image depot, and it has our ESXi versions, vendor add-ons, and then our components. And if we were to do a component search down here for tools, you can see that we have some of these async releases, including version 12, for example. What we're going to do is add version 12.0.5, which is our most recent release of VMware Tools as of this video. So to do that, I've gone out to Customer Connect and downloaded the bits. So we're going to go ahead and use that. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and go into Lifecycle Manager actions and then import updates here at the top. And from here, we're going to specify a zip file. Let's go ahead and do a quick browse, and you'll see that we have this VMware Tools core offline depot. Again, this is something you'll download from Customer Connect. So let's go ahead and select that version. Now you can see here at the bottom that we're importing the updates. So this will take some time for vCenter to ingest the update that we just provided it and then make it available. So let's be patient here. Okay, great. Let's take a quick look and see if we can't find it. So by filtering on the components, we can see now there's an async release of version 12.0.5 with a release date of 5/23/22. This is fantastic, the most recent version. So now we need to go create a baseline and then attach it to our hosts. I'm going to go up to here and hit new and then baseline. And I'm going to give it a name of updating VMware Tools on host to 12.0.5. And then in this instance, the content is a patch. From here, I do not want to automatically update anything with this specific baseline, so I'll uncheck this. And then in the select patches manually section, I'm going to deselect show only rollup updates. And now I'm going to filter for 12. Tools 12. And now you can see that I have two async releases for VMware Tools, one for vSphere 6 and one for vSphere 7. I'm going to go ahead and select the one for vSphere 7. And I'm going to go ahead and finish to confirm this baseline. So now you can see I have a baseline, update VMware Tools on a host to 12.0.5. Let's go ahead and apply it to my cluster. So I'll go to inventory. My cluster is selected, and I'll go to updates. In here, I'm going to go ahead and attach a new baseline. So attach baseline. We've already created it. And I'll select this one, update VMware Tools on host to 12.0.5. All right, at this point, we're not sure what the current status of this is. So let's go ahead and check compliance. And this will check every ESXi host in my cluster to determine whether or not this package has been installed. So let's be patient here. All right, so we can see here that the cluster is not compliant for update VMware Tools on host to 12.0.5. So let's fix that. Let's go ahead and select the update. Hit stage. It's going to show us the host that we're going to stage this to. Let's go ahead and hit stage here to start the process. The stage process takes all of the update files and puts them on each ESXi host in this example. But it does not actually install them. So this is good for preparing for maintenance that you might have later on for any of these patches that you might apply, not just for VMware Tools. So you can see at the bottom here under recent tasks, the process has started and it's pushing the update for VMware Tools to each of my hosts. Okay, that's complete. So let's go ahead and move to the next step, which is remediation. So this is going to actually solve the problem of compliance. So I'll go ahead and hit remediate. It's going to tell me 3 hosts will remediate. And then you have some options in here as well, as far as scheduling and other settings that you might need to adjust based on your patching. For VMware Tools, default is fine. It's not going to disrupt anything on your host. Let's go ahead and hit remediate. Now, Lifecycle Manager is using the VMware Tools update that we staged already to actually do the installation. So let's be patient here. And now you can see that our cluster, the hosts on the cluster, are showing as compliant for VMware Tools 12.0.5 on the hosts. Thanks so much for watching.